Hey guys, what's up? So I got the 29.99 or 29 mystery box through Colorpop. Um, I've had this box and plus also the medium box and also the big one. Um, but it's right here and I'm going to unbox it. I did not look at any of the what is it called? Uh, oh man, what is that word? Any of the stuff. So here it is. I opened it. You guys can see that there is some nice product in here. Alright, so let's start with this one. This is the Colorpop Creme Le Gel liner in the color Electric Daisy. In the color Electric Daisy. Oh my gosh. That is some green. That broke. It's like that. Oh man. Um, now I know that the liners do break very easily, so I'm excited to give this a try. It's kind of disappointing that it broke. Alright, so the next thing is the Ultra Blotted Lip. It is vitamin C. Ooh. Is this a lip gloss? It looks like that. Hmm. It seems like it's like an old product. I don't know. Oh well. Okay. Um, a lippy pencil. It's a very wearable lippy pencil right here. And this is the color Little One. It is a very nude lip pencil. So that's cool. I mean, yeah, that actually would match that lip gloss. Um, okay, cool. Here is a cream shadow. Packaging is like super cute. I like that. I never tried their cream shadows before. Very creamy. I like that. It goes down as like a powder, it seems like. That's what it looks like it does. So that's nice that it does that. Maybe it would be really cool to put it down as a base or something. Here is a cream gel. Is this like another eyeshadow thing? It's pink. It's called Dimples. Oh, what is that? Like, is this like another eyeshadow? Can I put it down like as a base? Do you guys know? That's interesting. Hmm, okay, cool. An eyeshadow palette. This is the is this the oh, it's the Animal Crossing. I did not get this. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. I did not get this, collection. I just did not have the money for it. So I'm excited. Oh, glitter. Gross. Here's the swatches. So pigmented. Look at that. That's so pretty. I'm excited to give this a try. Maybe if you guys want to, do you guys want me to do a quick video on that palette? Give me a comment below and let me know. I'm excited. I don't know about that glitter though. Alright. The next thing is the Matcha Face Milk Energizing Moisture Booster. That's cool. Booster, not booster. That's interesting. That's a lot of product. Ooh, I'm not gonna go through that at all. Well, I mean I will, but it'll take a while. Alright, that is it, you guys. It is empty. I thought that was a really nice little collection you would get of some products. So please give me that like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for those that like this type of unboxings. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and have a good day.